Welcome to BBQPitBoys.com. Today we're grilling up a flamethrower cheeseburger at the pit, and it's real easy to do. All right, for this recipe, you're going to need some ground chuck. We've got about 4 pounds. Here we've got our hot sauce. Use your favorite hot sauce. We got an onion. Here we've got some paprika. For this recipe, you'll need a tomato. That's a poblano pepper. Here's an Italian green pepper. And here's the magic. We got some Scotch bonnets, and we've got some pepper jack cheese, and of course we got our seasoning. All right, now here's the magic, the habanero. Whoa. Just looking at it, you know this is one of the hottest chili peppers on the planet, so be careful when handling it. All right, some use gloves. All right, and whatever you do, don't scratch your boys later on, if you know what I mean. All right, so what we're going to do is chop up the veggies really good, real fine. You don't want big chunks in there. So we did about a half an onion, the poblano pepper, the Italian green pepper. And here we're throwing in some SPG, about 2 tablespoons. And here we've got our habanero chipotle sauce. Add additional heat. Use your favorite. All right, mix everything really well. And we're going to form some meatballs here. It just makes it easier to make a burger, as you know, if you've been following us over the years. We've got about 100 recipes out there for just burgers alone, so definitely check them out if you get a chance. And here we'll dimple them, right? And you know all about that. That keeps them from blowing up and getting fat, right? Now, we're going to place it on our Santa Maria grill. The grill is a great choice for doing burgers. You got to check out the Santa Marias, all right? And we got about 8 of them. Perfect. 2 4. Now, after a few minutes, we'll just give them a flip. I don't need to show you how to make burgers, right? And we'll hit it with some pepper jack cheese. This happens to be a habanero pepper jack cheese. And we'll use our flamethrowers to melt the cheese. Makes it real easy. All right. This is gonna be good. Oh, man. All right, I'd say they're about done. We'll pull them off the grill. Are you getting hungry or what? If you're not, you're on the wrong damn channel now, aren't you? Woo. Take a look at that. Lord have mercy. All right, we'll freshen up those buns a little bit. And remember, your buns are sometimes as important what you're cooking up, so use a good bun. Now, we're going to be adding some tomatoes, some lettuce. Here we got some mayonnaise. This is not too hot, believe it or not. Man, you got to check it out. Now, I'd say it's time to eat. And as always, we do apologize for eating in front of you like this, but we call this Pitmaster privilege. So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.